Alenga.
Kawuok akado e kaunti masemo rang'ani matimore kaunti ma Baringo kamado kanyo ne jodak mawuok e kaunti no ma Baringo ogolo yuak ewi wach udi ma nengogi ogonyore ni ok onyuandgi kod jok ma yutogi bende ni piny kotenore kod chike matayo kaka iyudo utego ka giloso Baringo e romo mane ochuoye kom kod jakom kamatino mano mar omenda e od bura mamalo Kimani Kuria ginyiso luoro kaka itayo chenro ma kamano. Magi timore e kinde makoro twak ewi wach keto e tim chike mag udi ma nengogi ogonyore ochak lu kod od bura e tielo mar ariyo. Pogruok e paro bende biro e kinde ma mago bende dhi nyime ka luore kod usuru mar atamalo 10 ma jok ma biro yudo utego.
Create another agency when we have the mother agency that has always been taxed since independence to cater for housing problems for people. So National Housing Corporation shall administer the fund, and the CEO, that is the National Housing Corporation, shall be the fund administrator. So in this case, the entire clause or section recommending for the creation of a board will be null and void, and we recommend that consider all funds going to NHC.
What I have seen in the bill is the 10%. Why do we not include even the 90% to know how we are supposed to pay? And in case of anything that happens, the principal member happens not to be there. You have already purchased the house. You have already occupied the house. What happens to the dependents?
And Kenyans are agreeing that for you to be allocated a house, you need to have shown commitment. But however, they're saying that the 10% is too high. So we look at it, and because it is we are saying that you can even start paying for that house way before it is allocated to you. So these are all the things that we look at and trying to balance, the issue of making sure that there is a commitment from the new home owner, but also that commitment is not too punitive, and that doesn't leave out a majority of the people that this affordable housing unit is actually targeted.
Piny owacho okoni tije